This is part of Metro Barrie, you come. Yep. Okay. Pavilion de Musique. Beautiful, isn't it? Compound, I like it.
Hey, that's right. Hey, that's like Delfano. What you doing? Maar shit al refri.
Hello guys. Where do we go? Here or here? I think oh, let's go to this side. Yes. What's the Montreal? What's the Quebec Montreal? Sorry. No. Oh, the breeze. And this goes straight to the old port. I see the wheel over there. Okay, let's move along this road. You can. I've seen this before. Oh, we've been here before. Yep. Okay. Church. I don't know. Right. Welcome everybody. For those joining us, it's part of the series of Sights and Sounds of Montreal. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for supporting the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, this is part of Catherine Street. Yeah, this is Catherine Street. Alright. It's St. Catherine. Alright. What about the noise there? Okay, this is the extension of the church. Yeah. Yeah, this is St. Catherine. The intersection of St. Catherine and Barrie Street. Okay. I see the year this was built, but okay. Hello, how are you?
Good and you?
Are you a student?
Yes.
Right. And what are you studying at university?
Visual arts.
Visual arts.
Yes.
Oh, this is part of visual arts too, you know.
Hello.
Yeah, say hello to the whole world.
Hello world.
What's your name?
Beatrice.
Beatrice.
Yes.
So
What is yours?
The channel is IAM_Bantu.
Okay.
BANTU.
B-A-N-T.
So you're going to see yourself there.
Perfect.
Right.
Well, thank you.
Okay.
Have a great
See
day.
ya. Good luck.
Beautiful smile.
Thank you. Alright. How is Beatrice? Then that you come. Alright, we can cross now. Yeah, this is the junction of St. Catherine's and Barrie. Yeah, passed through here many times. That's the Barrie come. Okay. side. Right. The Hyatt Plus. Yeah, we've been here before. This is St. Catherine, guys. Let's take it slow and steady. Enjoy the breeze. Okay, this is Jordan Domali. No place to chill out. Alright, let's cross here. Yeah, this is another place for guys to chill. Children, the young and the old. Oh, this is it. Look at that. Powerful animal, huh? This looks like. Yeah, people chilling.
Yeah.
Look at that. Hello.
Hello.
Morning. Yeah?
Yeah. That woman there, she's wicked.
Oh, it's okay.
She's evil. She don't like me feeding the birds.
Oh, why not?
Because it's an evil human being.
Yeah.
But bird have to eat just like everybody
Of
have
course,
to eat.
we all have to eat to survive.
Yes, she would like to eat.
Oh.
But the birds, she don't like the birds.
That's okay. You're all on YouTube.
Yeah? That's okay, brother.
What's your name, brother?
Trevor.
Trevor.
Yeah.
We came every day.
Every day.
Oh,
feed the
thank you
birds.
very much. Thank you very much. That's very good.
More than 20 years I was feeding the birds.
Oh, great. Oh, my God.
But I run into people like this sometimes.
I know.
Because you can't please the whole world.
You're right.
You
right.
understand?
I know.
I'm retired, she's retired,
Right.
and this is how we live our life.
Thank you. God bless you.
All right.
Right. Thank you very much. Right. Don't mind all this stuff. Right. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is part of. Oh, rather, this is St. Catherine. Thank you. We've been here before, I think. Yes, many times, I should say. You can never escape St. Catherine. Yeah. As I've said before, millions of people converge here every year. Sorry, from all corners of the globe. Oh, I think I should have come to collect something here. Let me see. Oh, what are we doing here? Oh, Junker 2. That reminds me. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Let me go collect some in here. Alright. Yeah, you guys saw me there. Alright. Let me go collect my stuff. Yeah. Oh, see, this is John Kutu pharmacist. Or the pharmacy. Right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, family. See you in the next episode. Thank you.